Namaste and good evening to everyone. I would like to welcome all the students, all the parents, and our Samskara trainers as well to the second Abhyasa program of Bhagavad Gita. This is the second time that we all are together. First time it was on Gita Jayanti,
Yes.
and this time it's again after 6 months we are doing this, and again we are awaiting it for the next Gita Jayanti. So I welcome all of you to the program. Our guest is unable to join due to network issues, so we will introduce her as she joins. Okay, she happens to be my mother's guru, who has been continuously teaching Gita and all the spiritual knowledge to Veena Amma. So we are really grateful to her, and unfortunately she is unable to join due
Actually
to some technical
disconnected.
error. She had joined, but some
But she has
technical glitch, she's unable to join. They're still trying. Anyway, we will begin our program. Vidama, I would like to call you to give a brief introduction about what we did in these 3 months and 4 months.
Yes.
Yeah, 4 months. And yeah, over to you, Vinama.
Yes. Namaste everybody. I'm happy to see you all. You're all looking great. Okay. Yes.
Namaste.
Namaste everybody. Namaste. Yes.
Namaste.
Namaste. Actually, today's guest is my auntie only. Yes, she is mother's sister. Okay, she started we are all in connection to start the Bhagavad Gita and all every Ramayana, Mahabharata, everything has started actually from first COVID time, and then we get so much connected to each other. Actually we are all busy till COVID time, but in the COVID time we are ready to chat with each other regularly. So we thought of starting this online class only. So like that we started continuously, and we get confidence. I get actually confidence from her to know more things and to say some 2 or 3 sentences or talk about these spiritual things from her only. Actually she has bundle of knowledge, so I'm ready to talk to her and chat with her about these spiritual things. So like that it started. So we are all today we are doing the second Abhyasa program because of her only. For me it is a blessing. So namaste Chikama. Anyway, she is connected, but if we can't see her, let us where they are trying. Okay, I will introduce her. And actually from 3 months, what we learned is about Krishna. Krishna actually he is in dilemma. Why I am doing, why we are gathered here. These are all the confusions in his mind. Okay, so he is actually, for me, he is thinking like a child. Why I am doing all these things? Why I am fighting with my cousins only? That is the thing which is going on his mind. So he started asking questions to his guru, that is Krishna, and actually they both are very good friends. So he started asking so many questions to Krishna. So in first chapter, what are the confusions he have, he goes on asking in each shloka. So Krishna is he started explaining him why you have to fight. As you are kshatriya, it is your duty to fight. That is what he is explaining in the whole shlokas. And Krishna is at the last stanza also, shloka also, he is telling, I don't want to fight. I want to keep all my ayudas down so that they can kill me. Then I am very happy if they kill me also. That's what he is telling till the last shloka. So in the next adhyayas, let us We have to learn how he convinced Arjuna to fight with Duryodhana and everybody. He is not at all ready to fight. So this first adhyaya is Arjuna Vishada Yoga. So he started asking questions. That is what we have learned in the first adhyaya. Okay, so in our daily life also we have to face such confusions, that is positive or negative, what we are doing right or wrong. So this is what going on in the first adhyaya. So we learned so many characters also. I try to explain why they are like this, why they are connected to this, the relationship and everything. I explained you all, so you are all ready to listen, and you are all with me for 3 months. So I'm very happy. I welcome all of you. All the parents also cooperated so nicely, and they gave their valuable time with their kids. They sat and they all cooperated to do this Abhyasa program also. So all of you, all the best. You are. I'm ready to listen, to chant clearly with smiley face, and I request all of you to, while chanting, join your hands. Okay, so let us start from the first, that is Dhyana Shloka. First, Ditya Dhyana Shloka. Wait a minute. Yeah,
Just a moment,
just a minute.
I will put you on spotlight. Please don't start until we put you on
Okay,
spotlight. Okay.
all of you.
Okay, you can start, dear.
वार्ताय प्रतिबोधितां भगवतां नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिनां मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैताम् अमृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादश अध्यायिनीम् अम्बा त्वाम् अनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणी नमोस्तुते व्यास विशालबुद्धे पुल्लारविन्दाय तपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः.
Very good, Ditya. Mishita, unmute yourself, dear. Just a moment, I'll put you on spotlight.
Yes, Mishita.
Yes, Mishita, go ahead.
Start. Prapanna.
प्रपन्न पारिजाताय पुत्रनेत्रैकमाण्डे ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय सर्वोपनिषदो गावो
Yes.
गोपालनन्दनः
Artho.
सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धां गीतामृतमः.
Okay. Aryan.
चाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुः.
Okay, Mishita. Thank you, Mishita. You learned all the three. Very good.
Aryan, unmute yourself.
Adyan, start with Vasudeva Sutam Devam. No problem.
वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्.
Yes, you are also looking like Krishna. Yes, Arohi, start with the first adhyaya.
अत प्रथमोऽध्यायः अर्जुन विशालयोगः. धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुत्सवा मामकाः पाण्डवश्चैव किम कुर्वत सञ्जय. सञ्जय उवाच दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्य उपसंगम्य राधाव्रतनवब्रवीत्
Yes,
पश्येताम्
Arohi, 1 minute. Look at me. Yes, straight. Yes, Pashyetam.
पश्येतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्य महतीं च व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमता.
Very good. Likit. Atra Shura.
अत्र शूर गट्टिगा చెప్పు అత్ర శూర శ్వాస గట్టిగా చెప్పు భీమార్జున సమాయుధి కుయుధానో విరాటశ్చ ద్రుపదశ్చ మహారథః.
Thank you, Likit. Thank you, Likit. Advaita, Drushtaketu.
दृष्टकेतु चकीतेन काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुचित् कुन्तिभोजश्च यश्च नरपुङ्गवः
Yudamanyuscha.
युधामन्युश्च क्रान्ता उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान् सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व एव महारथः.
Very good, Advaita. Continue. Asmakam tu.
अस्माकं तु विशिष्टाय तानि बोधविजोत्तम नायका मम सैन्यस्य सम्रार्थं तान् श्रीणि ते.
Bhavan Bhishmascha.
भवान् भीष्मश्च कर्णश्च कृपश्च समितिञ्जयः अश्वत्थामारिकर्णश्च सौमदत्तस्तथैव च.
अन्ये च बहवः शूरा.
अन्ये च बहवः शूरा वर्तते त्यक्तजीविताः नानाशस्त्र सुरहरणाः सर्वे युद्धविशारदाः.
Yes, very good. Ditya, aparyaptam.
पर्याप्तं तदस्माकं बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितं पर्याप्तं त्विदमेतेषां बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितम् अयनेषु च सर्वेषु यथा भागमवस्थिताः भीष्ममेवाभिहन्यन्त भवन्तः सर्व एव हि तस्य सञ्जनयन् हर्षं गुरुवृत्तः पितामहः सिंहनादविनद्योच्चै शङ्खं दद्मौ प्रतापवान्.
Very good. Now Adyan. Tatah Shankascha. Wait a minute.
शङ्काश्च वीर्यश्च फलवानकगोमुखाः
Sahadai.
सहस्रमभियन्यन्त सशब्दस्तु मुरो भवत्.
Tatah Shvetai.
तथा श्वेतैर्हयैर्लुप्ते महति स्यन्दने यतहु माधवा बान्धवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत् दिव्यौ शङ्कौ प्रदग्मतुः
Panchajanyam.
ऋषिकेशो
Devadatam.
धनञ्जयः पौण्ड्रं दद्मौ महाशङ्कं भीमकर्णावृकोदरः.
Very good. Anarghya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
अनन्तविजयं राजा कुन्तिपुत्रो युधिष्ठिरः नकुलः सहदेवश्च सुघोषो मणिपुष्पकौ काशश्च परमेश्वासः शिखण्डीश महारथः धृष्टद्युम्नो विराटश्च सात्यकिश्च अपराजितः
Drupado.
द्रुपदो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्वशः पृथ्वीपते सौभद्रश्च महाबाहु शङ्कान् दद्मौ पृथक् पृथक्.
Very good. Very nice. You are looking so cute. Yes, Vyahruti. Are you ready? Yes, Vahriti. Yes. Saghosho. What happened, Vahriti? Come on. Sagho. Oh, what happened?
You want some time, Yahriti?
It's okay. It's okay. You take time. No worries.
We'll call you next.
It's okay. It's okay, Vahriti.
Should we call you next, Pravalika?
Pravalika. Oh, wants to color it. It's okay. She can color it. No problem.
You
You can color it. Okay, you can repeat after me also. No problem. You can start coloring. Saghosho. Give it to her. No problem. Yes, come on. Come on, come on. Bye-bye. Correct. Atha. Kapidvajaha. So nicely you are chanting. Come on, Vahriti. Sampate. Pandavaha. Super, super. Yes. Rishikesham. Dadavakyam. Midamaha. Mahipate. Arjuna uvacha. Senayor. Correct. Ratam tapayate. Me achyuta. Super, Bharuti. You are chanting so nicely. No worries. Okay, I will come to you once again. Can chant another 3 shlokas. No, cheer up. Yes, I will call you now, Yashi. Yashi. Yes. Advaita Yashi.
Okay. We have our guest who has joined. Lakshmi Aji.
Namaste, Chikama. Chikama, namaste. Namaste. Sorry.
Please unmute Chikama.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತದೆ.
Chikama, you are in mute. Unmute yourself, Chikama. Ramesha, mute. Yes. Very good.
Namaste, Lakshmi Aji.
Namaste.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ
Yes, we have start ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಂದೇನ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡು ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ
Yes, you can talk, ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಾ
ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು.
ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಾ
ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ Namaste to all. I am very happy to see small children chanting the Bhagavad Gita and the young parents who are encouraging them to give their precious time for the good cause. You know that Bhagavad Gita helps to helps children to improve the concentration and remembering capacity. It helps them to learn how to give respect to the elders and parents. Bhagavad Gita gives strength to face the problems in life and gives solutions to and they themselves find their solutions. And what can I say? But Bhagavad Gita is the essence for all the dharmas and Vedas and sutras. And Bhagavad Gita helps them to do what to do and what to do and what not to do. It teaches Bhagavad Gita teaches them, and and they will do the duties without attaching to the results. And Bhagavad Gita is the base for them in future to lead the value-based life. So Bhagavad Gita gives more and more values for them, so they can understand them in future. So I pray God that Veena and Vidya are struggling for this good cause, and let God give them strength and health to improve this program.
Thank you,
And
thank you.
I thank all to give this opportunity to attend this program. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
so
thank
much.
you, very much, Chikama. Because of you, I'm here today.
No.
Please be in the
Please
program.
be in the program.
Till the
Don't touch it.
Yes.
Yes, I want you to listen. Thank you for all, Ramesha, Bharti,
for
everybody helping
Lakshmi
her.
Chikama to attend.
Thank you, Chikappa.
Yeah. You can call on
Yes,
me.
stay there only, Chikama. Yes. Yes, Yashi,
Yeah.
22nd. Yashi, come on. Yes. Yavadetan.
यावदेतानि निरीक्षेऽहं योगकामनिवस्थिता कर्मया सह योद्धव्यं तस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे योत्समानावेक्षेऽहं ययेते समागतस्य दुर्बुद्धे युद्धे वियत्किचवः
Sanjay
उवाच एवमुक्तो ऋषिकेश गुडाकेशेन भारत उभयोर्मध्ये स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम्.
Very good, Yashi. Super. Now, Advaita, be ready. Yes, Advaita, Bhavya.
Some disturbance.
Please,
Thank you
yes,
so
yes,
much.
yes. 25th, Bhishma Drona.
भीष्मद्रोण प्रमुखतः सर्वेषां च महिषिताम्
Uvacha Partha.
उवाच पार्थ पश्येतान् समवेतान् कुरुनिति
Tatra Pashyat.
तत्र पश्चात् स्थितान् पार्थः तृणतपितामहः सिंहनादं विनोद आचार्यमातुलान् भ्रातृपुत्रान् पौत्रान् सखींस्तथा.
Yes, very good. Tan Samikshasa.
तान् समीक्षस कौन्तेयः सर्वान् बन्धु अवस्थितान् कृपया परयाविष्टो निषिदन्निदमब्रवीत्.
Very good, very good. Now, Vedansh.
Hi, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes, Vedansh. Whoa, You are holding something Billubana. Yes. Vedansh, come on, Arjuna.
Actually, his bow and arrow is not visible. Please remove the background, ma'am.
Bow and arrow. We want a clear picture.
Blur, it is
It is blurring. Yes, Arjuna Uvacha. Wow, super.
Raja Vishwema Saranam Krishnam Sarvasija Vikanji Mamadacharya Mukamcha Kashishati Vepatusha Sai Veme Roma Shashajayate Gandhi Samaste Hastakhe Paidaite Tatashek Yomna Hastata Devati ब्रह्मतीवाजमेवानः
Nimittani cha.
विस्मितानि पश्यामि विपरीतं केशव न च श्रेय वस्यामि
Hatva.
अत्र स्वधर्मावे
Vedansh, I want to take with look at me and chant one word. Okay. I want to take with. Hold it nicely and look at me. Yes. With smile. Wow. Come on, Arjuna.
Smile.
He's looking at his mom only. Very good, Vedansh. You have learnt all four. Yes, good smile. Anarghya, be ready.
नकांक्षे विजयं कृष्ण न च राज्यं सुखानि च किं नो राज्येन गोविन्द किं भोगैर्जीवितेन वा येषामर्थे काङ्क्षितं न राज्यं भोगा सुखानि च तैमेव स्थिता युद्धे
Prana Tyaktva.
प्राणां त्यक्त्वा धनानि च
Acharya.
आचार्य पितर पुत्र तथैव च पितामहाः मातुला श्वशुरा पौत्र शाला सम्बन्धिनस्तथा
Etana.
एतान् हन्तुमिच्छामि ज्ञतोऽपि मधुसूदनः अपि त्रैलोक्यराज्यस्य हेतो किं नो मही कृते
Very good, very good. Nihatya. Oh, Vyavruti. Vyavruti, are you ready? Cheer up, Vyavruti. Come on. This is the time. Very good. Cute smile. Come on. Tasmanarha. Tapete. Kulakshaya. Katam. Asmani. Papadas. Kulakshaya. Janardana. Very good. Very nice. Adyant. Adyant. Yes, Adyant. Come on. Kulakshaye.
कुलक्षये प्रणश्यन्ति
Kuladhar.
कुलधर्मा सनातनः धर्मे नष्टे कुलं तुत्स्नम् अधर्मविभवत्युता अधर्मविभवत् कृष्ण प्रदुष्यन्ति कुलस्त्रियः स्त्रिषु दुष्टाशु वाष्णेया जयते वर्णशङ्करः शङ्करो नरकायैव कुलग्नोनं कुलस्य च पतन्ति पितरो शीशाम् पिण्डोदकाक्रियः दोषैरेतैकुलज्ञानं वर्णसङ्कारकारकै उत्स्यादन्ते जातिधर्माः कुलधर्मश्च शाश्वतः.
Very good, Krishna. He's not naughty, but he is sitting and chanting with closed eyes. Thank you, Adya. Yes, now Ditya. Yes, Ditya.
उत्सन्नकुलधर्माणां मनुष्याणां जनार्दन नरके अनियतां वासो भवति इति अनुशिश्रम अहो बत महत्पापं कर्तुं व्यवसिता वयं यद्राज्यसुखलोभेन हन्तुं स्वजनं हृद्यताः यदि माम प्रतीकारम् अशस्त्रं शस्त्रपाणयः धातराष्ट्र रणेहन्यो तस्मै श्रीमद्धरं भवेत्. संजय उवाच एवमुक्तार्जुनसङ्ख्ये रथोपस्थ उपविशत् विसृज्य शशरं चापं शोकसंविघ्नमानसः.
One second, Ditya. I want all of you to join your hands. Yes, all of you join your hands. Now, Ditya, start. Om
तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्याया योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे अर्जुनविषादयोगो नाम प्रथमो अध्यायः. हरि ओम तत्सत्. हरि ओम तत्सत्. ओम तत्सत्. श्री कृष्णार्पणमस्तु.
all of you say Krishnarpanamastu.
कृष्णार्पणमस्तु.
All of you unmute and
कृष्णार्पणमस्तु.
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 thank you everybody.
कृष्णार्पणमस्तु.
मस्तु.
कृष्णार्पणमस्तु.
I know definitely Krishna is listening today. Yes, thank you very much all of you. Bharti, if you want to share or talk, you can talk. Bharti Ramesh. Lakshmi Chikama, if Bharti wants to ಮಾತಾಡೋಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Is she listening? Ramesha? Yes, Ramesha, you want to talk, or if Bharti wants to talk, they can talk about the program.
Ma'am.
It
Science.
was a wonderful performance by all the students. Congratulations to all of you. Finishing the first adhyaya, that too with 48 shlokas, is not a very small thing. It's a very, very big work that Vinama, you all completed it. Now, I was so very skeptical initially. For the 12th adhyaya, we had lesser number of shlokas, and we were very comfortable doing it. But when we thought of starting it from the first adhyaya, I was mostly doubtful. But then Vinama said that Vidya, they are learning 2 shlokas, 3 shlokas in a day. So very soon they are learning. So they are so used to it now. Congratulations to all of you. This is not a small thing. It's a very
also
big
for
effort.
parents also.
Yes, I was about to tell the next. And this has all been possible because of all your trust. You have trusted us. You have trusted all your kids. And that is something, giving opportunity to kids is something very important. We have been doing giving a lot of knowledge to parents about the importance of shlokas. You all are the role models for all the other parents.
Yes.
And making kids learn 48 shlokas and including dhyana shloka, series of shlokas continuously. This is not at all a small task. Congratulations to all of you. I would like to request each one of the parents each one of the parents to please raise your hands and please give your feedback regarding the sessions. It will be and your experience in learning Bhagavad Gita. It will be really helpful and motivating for us also to continue, and we will be starting with second adhyaya from the coming months. So
I want all of you
yeah,
to join.
and all of you must continue. There is no stop after joining the
And
after
because they
completing
have
first
capacity
adhyaya.
to learn.
Yeah, and we are not saying just for the sake of classes. All you kids have that capacity to learn, and not every kid, not every parent gives this opportunity to
Yes.
kids, right? You all are very lucky to get such wonderful spiritual knowledge through your parents, through Veenama, and through Lakshmi Chikama. That knowledge is
Yeah.
getting transferred to Veenama,
Of
and
course.
through Veenama, all of you are learning. I'm really feeling so. I literally have goosebumps on my hands when I'm saying this. Please continue learning. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ramesh uncle, would you like to speak a few words?
Yes, you can start.
Please
minute.
unmute yourself.
Unmute yourself. You are in mute. You are in mute. Unmute and talk.
We are unable to hear you. Please unmute yourself.
Hello, now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I
Yes.
am a teacher. So I'm all this in this students' world. The students are not interested in the studies, and because of their all kind of opportunities, now they are no problem of money, no problem of each and everything. So they are not interested in studies. So now what to do? Moral science is very important. Moral science teaches by the yoga and meditation and Bhagavad Gita. It teaches Mukam Karoti Vachalam Pangam Langa Tegiri Kripatamham Mande Sharanati Gachitam. Now, if you chant Bhagavad Gita daily, the good things, the bad things, and what to do, what not to do, and how to behave with the elders, and how to behave with the parents, and how to behave with the society, how to get concentration, this kind of all teachings can be taught by the Bhagavad Gita. So that even in the sports field also, when the sports winning and losing and the tension times, Bhagavad Gita teaches how to get the spirit and once again and do discharge our duty very beautifully. So thankful to Veena and his family for the children who they are doing good job. Continue the job and is helpful for the
you so
students.
much.
Thank you for the opportunity given to me. Okay.
Yes,
Thank
thank
you
you,
so
thank you
much.
very much,
Thank you so
Ramesha.
much.
You supported Chikama so well from yesterday. I am behind you.
In the starting, there's some trouble, so we just solved it immediately. And
Anyway, thank
by the grace of God, Lakshmi Akka come from the long distance, so the problem solved with Bhagavad Gita itself. So thank
yes,
Thank you
yes,
so
God
much.
is there. Definitely. He
yeah,
supports.
definitely. But you see, I think if she's not given a good chance to deliberate our feelings, so it is waste for the. We are trying from last 2 days to get the program and join the program. So God given the good blessings to join with you, and you are
Right.
doing a very good job. Please continue, and
Sure.
and there must be a very good future for our India and the future. Even our Prime Minister also doing meditation tomorrow after
I know
few
you
months of
can talk.
after 3 months of election campus. Now he is studying Bhagavad Gita and meditating in the Kanyakumari in the rock of Vivekananda. So India is becoming the number one in the spiritual field and in the financial field, and we are the number one in the world. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so
thank
much.
you.
Yeah.
Yes. Vedansh?
Vedant.
Archana.
Namaste.
Archana,
Archana.
namaste.
Namaste, ma'am. Special thanks to Veena madam, actually. I was skeptical in actually at the starting point whether Vedansh will sit and learn, but after 1 month, he was able to pick up very nicely. And now he loves Veena ma'am. It's like ma'am is there. And weekends also he asks whether the class is there or not. So yeah, he's very excited, and I'm glad he picked it up very well. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you for being very patient and explaining to them very nicely. I'm very happy. Apart from Vedant, even I also learned a lot. Actually, I don't know Bhagavad Gita.
I know. She used to sing every line, single word. She used to chant with him.
So I also learned. So I'm glad that I was also able to pick. Thank you very
No,
much.
without parent support, this is not it can't be possible. Very good.
So
very good.
nowadays we are asking Archana that if you are ready to sit along with the child and be supportive, then only join the program, because generally what happens, both the parents will be working and they will leave classes, but that support won't be there. Very happy that you all are supporting the kids so much, which is why the child is chanting so very well. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you for giving us this opportunity.
Thank you.
We'll have.
So she chanted all the shlokas herself. I'm scared if she not or chants or not. But today she chanted all the shlokas. And Likit, if you want, you can chant second shloka. Likit, sorry, I didn't give you the opportunity. And she's also behind Sri Vidya.
Sri
She
Vidya,
used to
Namaste,
chant
Sri
all
Vidya.
the shlokas with him.
Shri Vidya, are you there?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Namaste.
yes, Sri Vidya, yes.
Namaste, ma'am.
Yes.
Namaste. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Now we
Yes,
can
yes,
hear you.
yes. Continue.
Thank you so much, ma'am. My son, okay, he was chanting. If I wish to chant, he was chanting, but I don't know. When the ma'am is asking to chant at that time, he was not chanting, but I was happy. But he learned the slokas, like 15 to 16 slokas. He learned very perfectly, and along with the son, even I am also learning with him. Even I too don't know the Bhagavad Gita, but now I understood. Oh, what are the characters? Who, or what is the first adhyaya? In first adhyaya, what is taught at that all? Even I also learned along with him, and I was very happy.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much, Sri Vidya. Sri Vidya
Yes.
has also joined Lalita
Yes, yes, I
Sahasranama
know, I
program.
know.
I'll see you in the session, Sri
Yes.
Vidya. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
okay, ma'am.
Adyan's mother.
Adrika.
Adyan.
Hello, Veena ma'am.
Namaste. Namaste. I can't answer his questions. So many questions he has.
I just want to say thanks a lot for coming up with this idea of starting Bhagavad Gita and teaching them, because it's kind of surprising like how they can understand and chant all the shlokas. Even if we learn, it's difficult for us to memorize and tell it by heart. But the way all the kids they chant and say, it's really amazing. Thanks
Yes.
a lot for coming up with this.
Thank you,
so much.
Adrika.
It's all
One
because
more
of
thing
all.
is, it would be great, Veena Amma, if you could start telling stories, include stories also. Because, Mahabharata has lot of stories,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Internal, they have stories within stories, so many nice stories with morals.
Yes, what happens, Adrika? This is the 47 shlokas.
Yes,
With story up to
It
6
will be,
months.
yeah.
Difficult to hold the kids. So
I would like to add on one more point, dear. What happens is, when we announce Bhagavad Gita program, they will tell, in how many months will you finish it? There are 700 shlokas. People are not aware that there are 700 shlokas, and for every shloka, as you said, there is a story behind every shloka. Why Krishna said like that? Why Arjuna asked such questions? So if parents are patient enough to continuously make them learn, then we will not worry about the timelines. We will just keep on explaining it.
Yeah,
But
because
it so happens
see, now
within 3
this
months.
was started in February, so it's already been
yes,
Yes,
see.
So,
more than 3
so
months.
questions come like, oh, only you finished one adhyaya, but teaching 48 shlokas is not a very easy task, right?
Yes.
So if that understanding comes in parents, then easily we can not focus on timelines, story, and keep teaching, so that we can do it.
For one shloka, we can talk about 1 week continuously.
Yeah,
What
true.
what to tell or not what to
Because it's
not.
like very intense.
Very vast. Yeah.
yes.
So whatever is required for the child to understand
Yeah,
at that age, so that is what
Okay.
we are
Yeah, yeah.
doing.
Trying
but
to cover the thinking of in the mind, kids are there.
Yes,
We are
yes.
teaching for
Yeah, we
kids.
have, yeah.
Yeah.
Right. But thank you so much for your
Thank
input.
Yes.
So if parents like you say that please focus on the story and the values more, then we will start adding that and not worry about, to complete the number of shlokas. So that we can
Not
probably
in
reduce.
every class, maybe in some classes, if you, yeah.
Right. Sure, dear. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, yeah.
Yes. Yashi's mother. Yes, Yashi. Call mama. Yes. ಅವ್ರ ತಂದೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಭವ್ಯ ಯಾಶಿ.
Namaste, Bhavya. Are you there?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Okay, I would like to call Advita's mother. Namaste.
Yes, Sonia.
Namaste, Sonia.
Namaste, Amma. We are from Bangalore. I always wanted to learn like Sanskrit, but I don't know Sanskrit at all. So I thought that if my kid will learn that, it is the most good thing for me. So everybody appreciating her like for the Bhagavad Gita, and she is like so interested. As you know,
Yes.
that's why I enrolled in your second program also. So
Yes.
she is enjoying very much, and she's learning two things. Like
Yes.
she's not getting angry now. Like she's
No.
improving. No, I don't want to get angry on Mama. So really, I love Amma, and she also loves you.
Yes, and Advaita's best thing is she starts chanting from for whole 40 minutes. She will chant with all of them. That is the special.
Yeah, ma'am. Because she know Mahabharata. She like Mahabharata. She watch Mahabharata, and we are Krishna devotee. So we
Yes.
are interested in all these things. So she is enjoying much.
Yes, I know.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So from now only, I'm saying we will go for the second adhyaya also.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Definitely.
Thank you.
I know
Thank
she will
you.
come. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Pravalika,
Pravalika.
I don't want to miss this opportunity because I've been seeing you giving feedback for Samskara program.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. Yes.
Thank you.
I was from 1 year onwards we are taking classes from Deena madam. She is expert in everything in Bhagavad Gita. Everyone is surprised how she is able, like world service is chanting like me, and everyone is how can
She's
she
the youngest.
100% చదివా 100% రిటర్న్ చేసినామా.
Thank you, Pravalika.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Ma'am, one more thing. I am following you from so long in Instagram. I saw your too many reels and how you are like telling what is this and what is that, and I loving it. And I thought it is very expensive. That's why I didn't ask for this. But it is like a very reasonable, and the kids are learning so many things. So I think every parent should go for this because it is for our dharma.
Yes. What we want to say is it's a question of one sari we buy and keep it in the almera.
Yes,
And
exactly.
we go to a restaurant, we spend more than that. So investing on kids like this, it gives so much value that you cannot see. Not like Advaita. Maybe kids of others also. After 20 years, you can see the fruit.
Yes,
You
yes.
should not expect today only. Okay.
No, but we are getting improvement from now only. So
Yes,
like
okay.
I am very happy. Like she is very good kid in like she is doing puja every day, and she's praying every day while going sleep and while wake up. So like she have lots of improvement with that Bhagavad Gita. So we enjoyed a lot.
Even
And
she's not like that today. Don't worry. it is there in her mind for all the kids.
Yes,
Don't
yes,
expect
yes, ma'am.
the fruit. That's what I
एंड
want
मैम
to say.
सब लोग ही बोल रहे हैं अद्विता बहुत अच्छी हो गई है संस्कृत बोलने में, मतलब everybody is asking from where she is learning.
Yes, yes. Thank you,
Thank you so
Advaita.
much. Thank you. So this is what we also keep telling to all the parents, that you know, for a first year's birthday or something, we buy such expensive dresses for kids, and we just keep it in the almirah. Kids will
We don't use
outgrow
it
it.
all.
They'll not use it at all. We don't think while spending for such materialistic things. But I feel that these are the best gifts that we must give to our kids, and these values are something when taught at a very tender age, that gives results.
Yes, ma'am.
I did tell this in my master class also, that we put wrapper to the books in the first beginning of the month when school starts, not somewhere in between or during the exam time, right? So it's like you are wrapping your kids with wonderful values and culture, and that samskara that you're giving to your kids at the young age, in the initial days. That is something which if you give it after 15 years of age, that will not have that much of effect. By then so much of spoiling would have happened, right? So they will be so confident, they will not have any bad habits, they know what to do, what not to do, they know what are good words, bad words, what to use, what not to use, how to behave and all that. So this is something which has to be inculcated at a very, very young age, and do not think to invest on kids for
Yes.
such spiritual programs.
Yeah, ma'am, it's good. It's too good.
Arohi.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much. Thank you.
Chaitra.
Chaitra.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, dear. You're welcome.
Ma'am, just a second, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Sure,
Call,
dear.
call.
Amma.
Yes, yes. And Ditya, Sudha, are you there?
Ma'am?
Nishita, Archana, Sujata, are you there? Yes, Sujata.
Thank
And
you,
she
ma'am.
also
Thank you for your patience, so much of patience, and following up on WhatsApp every now and then when Mishita is not joining. Sorry, but it's my mistake also. I'll be sometimes in office. We were because of a busy work, no? Even I was not able to concentrate on her. But the things,
anyway,
yeah.
she chanted. Oh, I'm very happy for Nishita.
No, I wanted to chant her completely, like Dhyana
Yes.
sloka completely. From morning, I'm like putting her.
Yes, you did it. You did it.
Yes, right.
Yes, thank you, thank you.
Thank you so
And
much.
yes, Ditya, you are also chanted so nicely. Adyan, so nicely have chanted. Very good. Arohi. Yes, Arohi's mother has to come.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, actually, my mom is working, ma'am. She can't.
Okay. No problem, no problem.
Dear, it's okay.
Okay, thank you all
Ditya,
of
is
you.
Amma there? Ditya?
Ditya,
Ma'am?
Ditya, Sudha Amma is there? No, it's okay. Okay, it's okay, no problem.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you all for joining in. Pravalika, you want to say something?
I
Yeah,
think,
yes, Pravalika.
Audio
I started phase school right now, ma'am. So in summer camp, I started this Bhagavad Gita Jnana Shlokas.
Dhyanam Shlokas, yes.
So in this 10 to 15 days, almost 20 people is there. Everyone learned this Jnana Shloka, 5 shlokas. Parents are very, very happy because they studying almost 6 years, 7 years, people think. But still now they didn't know one shloka also. In that summer camp, there was inspiration of me, mom, I think this Bhagavad Gita shloka. The parents are very happy. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Pravalika. We are more than happy to be associated with such like-minded parents. Thank you so much. Chikama. Lakshmi Chikama, please give us your feedback.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ.
ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಈ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ದಮ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್. ಬಟ್ both of you are working hard, and your body languages, I like your body languages also, and they are chanting. Of course, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಆದ್ರೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಗ್ಲಾಡ್.
Thank you, ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ.
Thank you.
ಹಲೋ, ಈಗ ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆಯನ್ನ ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಾಗ್ಲೇ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡೋದು. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದು ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಅದು ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಇದು ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
True. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I would like to thank all the parents for being so supportive, and congratulations all the kids. Let's all meet in the second adhyaya.
Okay.
We will announce the dates for the sessions. Till then, every day keep practicing. Every day keep sending audios to Veena Amma.
Yes, I will listen.
Yeah, make Veena Amma busy.
Yes.
She should keep.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Namaste.
Ram.
Namaste, ma'am. Namaste, ma'am. Bye. Namaste, ma'am.
Yes, Anatya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Namaste.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ram. We will
Bye,
soon
ma'am.
upload YouTube channel. You can rewatch it again. Bye, Anarghya.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Likit.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.